Unlock the potential to mirror profitable trades with Pocket Options copy trading signals right here in your platform's right panel. First, let's understand what you're seeing. This right panel is your gateway to signals from experienced traders. Each signal typically includes the asset being traded, the direction of the trade up or down, and crucially, the performance history of the trader providing the signal. Look for high win rates and consistent profitability over a significant period. When you identify a signal you're interested in, notice the investment amount sliders. This is where you control the risk. You can choose to invest a specific amount. And importantly, you can set a stop loss or profit limit. This ensures that even when copying, you maintain control over your capital. Before you commit, assess the risk. The platform often provides a risk score or indicator for each trader. It's wise to start with traders who have a lower risk profile, especially when you're new to copy trading. Remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Once you've chosen a signal and set your investment parameters, simply click the copy button. The platform will then execute trades on your behalf, following the strategy of the chosen trader. By consistently monitoring your copied trades and the performance of your chosen signal providers, you can gradually refine your strategy. Consider it a learning tool, an opportunity to observe how seasoned traders approach different market conditions and make informed decisions to potentially boost your own trading success.